In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change map keybind in Fortnite. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first go to settings. So if you are using PlayStation 5 Fortnite, so you have to press this button. Then from here go to this icon. Then press X and again press X to go to settings. Now go to controller mapping, and here in presets, here you will see controller binding presets. So from here you have to make it custom, then go down, then here you will see toggle map. So here press X on toggle map and then press any button that you want, and then to save it press X to confirm. And this is how, and now the map keybind button is changed. So this is how you can change map keybind on Fortnite on PS5. Thanks for watching.